Hi, my name's Leone, and I'm here today. Close the fucking door, you live in a barn! Sorry, Dad, don't yell at me. But we might have to put a hat on today. I don't know, might have to break out my tuna fish sandwich hat. What do they call when they like pull the pitcher up and he's like warming up? You're a baseball, you're a sports guy, Ian.
Bullpen?
He's in the, yeah, let me pull it out and put it in the bullpen. Get that hat warmed up.
More of like putting it in the batter's box.
Batter's box? He ain't swinging, dude. This one's a pitcher.
Okay.
What? I thought you were cool, dude. A fucking batter's box. Woo! Hey guys, welcome back to Making It. Today we're going to be doing a really fun seasonal special. We're going to be going and picking some magnolia flowers and pickling them, eating them with a little tuna. I'm going to make a nice little sushi bite. And it's just a really fun seasonal pickle. Anyone can do it. Anyone can do it. And they tend to grow all over the place. Very ornamental, beautiful tree, and a very fun, delicious flower. It has like a peppery, tangy, kind of like a gingery type of flavor to it. It's the tree's sex organs, and today we're gonna pickle them and eat them. Let's go pick some. Speaking of that, I got my beautiful blue bowl that the lovely Peggy got for me. It's cool. All right, let's go. You ready, Ian? We're gonna go see this legend in New Jersey too. Nino, I'm coming for you, kid. Yeah, whatever, Leone. Nino's the best. You're gonna love Nino. He's the guy that started Williamsburg Pizza in New York.
This is New York City. We make the best pizza in the freaking world. I kid you not.
Brooklyn guy. He's a fucking tough guy. I'll light him up like fucking Mayweather. I'm coming for you, Nino. No, I'm just kidding. He'd probably kick my ass for sure.
What do you want to do?
Nino's like kind of scary actually, but super nice. But that's not what we're doing today. Let's go pick our star of the day, the Magnolia flower. Give it up, everyone. Let's go. Before we go get the magnolia flower, should we go look at a couple other fun flowering trees? Flower Field Day Friday, Ian! Peggy bought this, I don't know what it is, but it's pretty. Check this beauty out. Certainly aromatic. Tickled the nostrils. It smells quite nice. It sure is beautiful. This is a peach flower, a peach tree. Moving on. Spring is just really kind of showing up now, and we are in, what is it, mid-April. So things are coming to life. The lilac tree's coming, that's nice. Check this thing out, this is a plum tree. I planted it, it was this big 2 years ago. Look at it now. I gave it some good soil, dug a big old hole. I put some fish heads in there and some good old compost soil. Took off like freaking rocket fuel. This is a Bing cherry too. Oh, it's got little flowers, baba. These are all very exciting, very new. And then those are maybe something else, you know, I don't remember, man. So this is Asian pear. So this is pretty cool. I got this from a really cool nursery by me. So this is 4 different types. Each horizontal is a grafted different type of pear. So these are like Bartlett, Comise, Anjou. I think that's how you say it, damn it, Brad, but they're delicious ones. Central Asian pear, there's a bunch of different types there. Here's my pawpaw. How'd that work out? Ah, the magnolia. The whole thing of it is edible, opens up. Wow, crunchy, delicious. Literally tastes like a water chestnut. Had a baby with ginger. Also a little bit of like those weird lavender candies that like grandma used to eat. Here, try one, Ian. We're in this together, dude. No, just nibble the tip first.
What?
Just nibble on the tip, bud. So the whole thing, after you pick them, you can kind of peel them back like little red endives. And I like to place them on rice or meat or whatever. And it's a nice little garnish type of thing. Goes great with the raw fish. Let me pick a bunch of them. And again, this is a spring thing, and then it's gone. You know, I love that. Get excited for it, it's a small window, and that's what I love about like pickling and fermenting, is like when things are abundant and happening, you can go and capture a bunch of it and utilize it. If you do it enough, or if you really like it, you can be able to enjoy a version of it for months. The ones I like to pick are these tight ones. They come off just like a little flower bud, super easy to pick. Just peel off any boo-boos and you have a nice sealed off kind of flowery endivey bud. and they pickle up gorgeous. So I'm just gonna do like a mason jar full. It does become like a nice little like pickled ginger type of thing that you would say get from a takeout sushi spot. But you take one piece out and you have it as like a garnish on a piece of something. That's the plan. So you know, you pick 20 of these, 30 of these, 20 of these, you're in pretty good shape. You got a lot of petals to get you through the summer of sushi fun. All right, let's go, bud. Enough fun and games out here. Spring, sprung. All right, so I put our picked closed magnolia flowers, which are beautiful, in a little bit of ice water, just to, you know, give them a nice little shock. So I like to just, as I load them into the jar, just go through them, look for any little blemishes and boo-boos, any rot spots, any little points of entry where a little bug might have gotten in. You're gonna wanna go ahead and just go and eliminate those.
I think something stinks in here!
I love the smell of
Magnolia!
Yeah? How do you like the smell of
Ice water. We're gonna mix them with the vinegar. Seasoned and unseasoned, you can use either or, rice vinegar, and some of that maple syrup to kind of give it a sweet, bright, pickly, easy flower to eat. And again, really fun seasonal thing that you can find all over the place. And we're gonna pack these things right into a mason jar here. Easy peasy. And because we have our maple syrup, it's very easily dissolvable. What I like to do is add a little bit of that. Let's say that's probably about, I like it a little sweet. And maple syrup, you can use sugar if you want, or, oh my God, agave or honey, I don't, you know, whatever. But maple syrup, if you can get good, proper maple syrup, it is, I can't believe how good it is. Say we got quarter cup, probably 3 tablespoons. And I'm just gonna add a little bit of vinegar just to get a little solution going, a little mix before we pack it. I'm gonna take that governor right off. Whoa, 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 Bobby, this is leaking. Bobby, we got a problem. The heck? That's something you don't see every day, Bill. All right, before we go any further, let's do our real quick ingredient shrine of the things we're gonna be pickling, our star ingredients. All right, we got the booty candle going. We're gonna blow that out. I almost forgot. Ian actually saved the day. All right, she can hang out. Lord of Death, you chill out. Everyone just chill out. Sorry, we almost forgot. Do we have any new additions? Oh, yeah, I got this little baby horseshoe crab that I found. Me and the bays. Well, let's jump into the ingredient. Does this have a fucking leak in it? Are you kidding me? This has a crack in it too, Ian. Did you what is going on? Birds' heads are flying off. Ian, there, did you sabotage the set, dude? What is going on? I love this measuring cup, Websterant.
Are you sure it's not, that wasn't just on the outside?
No, it was actively leaking, Ian. Look at the puddle, falling off the rails. Seasoned rice vinegar right here and some unseasoned rice vinegar, all right? That's gonna be our acid. That's just gonna be our pickling, our vinegar agent, our acidity. I got some bay leaf for tannins, an orange sherbety flavor. I don't know, I just love them. It's one of my favorite, I don't care, I'm putting them in. And then we have our star of the day, the magnolia buds, the closed flower, delicious. I added it already, but we had some maple syrup. There's a little bit of vinegar in this already, but we had some beautiful maple syrup, okay? Vinegar, bay leaf, buds, and we're good. We're gonna eat it with a little tuna, with some rice, and a little shoyu, a nice little snack with our pickled version. But that's our little ingredient shrine, all right? We love you. All right, let's get right to it. So I added a little bit of vinegar to our maple syrup just to help it get dissolved up in an easier, I mean, it's 2 liquids, it's a match made in heaven. But before we go packing it with the rest of our vinegar, all right, we'll pick our leaves off. We'll put 3 in. No, we'll put the whole bud in. No, we're gonna put them all in, Brad. What are you talking about? We'll use it as a topper. Great idea, Brad. Whoop. And then we're just gonna load them right in. And you know, it's gonna have a nice little bright vinegar acid, obviously, with the main ingredient being vinegar, but then a nice little amount of maple syrup, and that has a really nice caramelly, you know, we ain't talking about the stuff you get at the boo-boo diner or your kid's school, unless it's going to like a really nice school or something. We're talking about real maple syrup, all right? We're talking about 50 gallons to 1, all right? We're talking about tree blood turning into the essence of candy, Mother Nature's candy. Brad, shut up. Anyway, we're gonna load these buds in. Look at that, that's a beautiful little thing, ain't it? I like to give it a light tamp. We wanna fill it up pretty close to the top. They tend to oxidize a little bit, the ones on the top, just in general. I mean, it is a flower. So I like to push these big ones on top and kind of keep those little delicate beauties on the bottom. And then finally, we'll add our our bay leaf. Look at those fresh little cuties right in there. Now we're gonna top it off with some vinegar. Glug, 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 glug. Right there. That's looking good to me, Bill. Now you watch this magic trick. I think it was like 20 bucks. Electric mason jar vacuum sealer. What do you know about that, Uncle Ian? Ungats. You slap that thing on like that, like so. Watch this, dude. It's gonna melt your melon. Sucking all the air out, Ian. Get it out of there. Watch this. No band. No band, no problem. Man, I would invest a house on these things. I freaking love them. And again, this is 2 days. We're ready to rock and roll. I keep it in the fridge, let it all do nice things in the cold, and 2 days later we'll eat them. I like to do it on fish. You can do it on a hot dog. You can put it in the salads. You can blend it into a vinaigrette. You can do whatever you want with it. Maybe put it in a weird little cocktail. Why not? We're gonna put it on a little tuna and some rice that I made. Little sushi lunch for me and Uncle Ian here. Now for a little treat. Let's open this up. Wow. Look at that, how beautiful. And this was a little simple syrup that I made. Equal parts sugar, water, handfuls of flour, the ones that were bigger, not the little buds, but the full petals. I was using those, and I literally used like 2 of those bowls that we filled the buds with. You know, double the amount, easy, triple the amount of what we pickled. And now we got a pretty nice little, just a little really aromatic, simple syrup. You can use that in sauces or cocktails or whatever. And this is just dehydrated petals. I'm probably gonna put it in the Roboku or the food processor or something, and mix it with some salt and maybe make like a little Magnolia salt. You can use that as a finishing thing. Put that on your little margarita or something to be delicious, all right? But today, we're eating sushi with the pickled petal. Let's taste it by itself. Oh, wow. It's definitely a flower. A little bitter, but has very nice like peppery, gingery, bright. It's nice. It's really nice. I mean, I don't want to just like go snacking on them, but I think paired with something that is rich or already sweet or spicy, I think it's going to be really nice. Let's try it with a little piece of tuna. All right, keep it pretty. I got some sushi rice I made, but this is just going to be a nice little bite. The rice, you know, I know Jiro dreams of sushi. He said it, you know, and the Japanese take you 7 years, and they ain't kidding. The rice is no joke. Put it right on that rice, a little room temp rice. I just have some nice little shoyu. We'll give it a little brush. That little texture kind of holds the shoyu too. I always liked it when they do that. And then our star, pickled magnolia leaf. Okay, I know what we're gonna do. Just have a little fun, but it doesn't even need it. Just a little sprinkle of a little furikake. Okay, all right, easy. So that's sliced up beautifully. I kind of cut it on the by there, and it just, you know, you get all those little layers of that beautiful, yeah, it is kind of like the little pickled ginger garnish. A lot of cool, fun ways. I think I'm gonna try fooling around with this. Really easy to do. Beautiful before and after. And then you have really nice magnolia vinegar, kind of a sweet, beautiful vinegar that'd be great for other pickles, vinaigrettes, all types of fun stuff. But let's try it with the tuna. Oh man, terrible. Don't ever do it. That little, oh, let me do that again. I want to up the ante on the flour. Ooh, that's the bite right there. That's the one. It's subtle. You don't really get, it's not overwhelming at all. It's just a little, kind of a nice little, kind of mild, little zingy kind of sweet. You get finishes, it kind of lingers and finishes. You get those floral notes at the end. I think it goes really nice with the sesame seed and the tuna and the shoyu. This is wonderful. What a fun little idea to do there. I'm gonna eat like 25 of these. And look, we're gonna go big. You gotta do a decent clump of it to really get the gingery. I was going too light. That one's for you, Ian. That one's for you, Ian. And this one is for you. We can dream and imagine and pretend that I can just give that to every one of you and you guys can eat it and enjoy it. Squeeze the little buds and look at that vinegar that comes out. Not letting that go to waste. Oh God, blew up in my hand. But that's what I've been drizzling on there. Yeah, that's the stuff. You gotta squeeze the bottom of it. And that's where you get, wow, look at that pigment that comes out. That's incredible. Oh, yeah, okay. Into that. Yeah, that little bite. Oh, yeah, that's it. Mmm. This got a little pepper on there. I put a little spicy togarashi. Ian, get in there. This ain't it. You got to get the updated one, dude. Dipped in the essence.
In the spice.
In the spice, dude. Look, I'm gonna hit a little, show you there. Whoa, 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 whoa. Don't be getting crazy. Don't be getting disrespectful. Mmm.
Whoa.
Thanks for hanging. Tune in next time. Let me know some more things that we should try. Love you. Ooh, this is great. I'm gonna eat 55 of these. You should too. Otherwise, I'm seriously gonna eat them all. Mmm.